Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter. Your dealership's going to want to charge you over $100 to do this, and this job takes 5 minutes tops. So I'll link below to where you can buy the part, where you can get it for cheap, and this whole job should cost you, no more than 15 bucks. So the first thing you're going to do is undo the 2 clips in front of the air filter housing box. Then you can easily remove the top of the air filter housing box. There's some little tabs in the back, but they slide right out. You don't have to unclip anything. And then you can pull out the old dirty engine air filter. You can see mine is a little bit worse for the wear. I probably went a little bit too long. I would definitely recommend changing these about once every year. So set a reminder in your phone. And then here's the new clean air filter. So then you'll just slide it into the air filter housing box. Now you can see mine right now isn't quite properly seated. So you want to make sure that it's seated perfectly. So when you slide it over, it should sit down in there just perfect. And so make sure that every part is in there and it lays flat. As long as it's seated in there correctly, this should go in really easily. There's these 2 tabs in the back, and they're just going to slide into those little grommets that you can see on the back side right there. So they slide into those holes. And then if everything again is seated correctly, all you have to do is clip in the 2 clips in the front, and they should clip in real easy. If they don't, make sure that it's seated correctly, and then you're all done. Make sure to hit subscribe for more helpful tips on maintenance and fixes for your Mazda vehicle.